Good afternoon from the Bayer Crop Science Water Utilization Learning Center. My name is Brian Olson, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the things we have on the tour road this year for 2019. First and foremost, this is only supposed to be an overview because we have so many things at the Learning Center. I just want to briefly mention them and give you an idea of what you would see here at the Learning Center, but please plan on coming out and joining us for an actual tour to learn more about the research that we're conducting out here at the center. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So we're looking at the tour road from the vantage point of a drone. We've got our demo area here where we've got some poorly planted soybeans, some areas that are not planted yet, and so we're looking at what that climate field view field health imagery looks like. Then we've got our high input corn and high input soybeans. You will notice that we did receive some hail damage on some of our soybeans, and so we do have some variable population out there. Then we get into our yield contest corn and yield contest soybeans, really throwing everything in it to really push the yields. Then we've got a corn product characterization demo where we're looking at the impact again of different inputs such as nitrogen and irrigation on how corn products respond. Then on the right side, you'll notice an area that looks like some pretty yellow or pale green corn. That actual area has not had any nitrogen applied to it since 2009. Then on the right side here, we've got an area where we're characterizing our different soybean products for white mold and soybean cyst nematode. Then we've got our seed applied solutions classroom talking about the different products that we have for our seed applied solutions. Then we've got our DeKalb classroom where we don't have the signs up, and then channel and fontanelle where we have again a number of different corn and soybean products for the brands. Then we have our insect classroom talking about the area of or all the different traits we have to combat the insects out there that are problematic for us. We have our pollinator habitat on the right there, and then as we turn the corner, you will have noticed again a number of different smaller classrooms where we've got some variable planting and so on. So these are our agronomic problem classrooms that we use for training to go through and diagnose different agronomic problems. Then on our left also, you'll see the Bayer Crop Science demo portfolio area, and so we have basically an area to talk about how to use Delaro and Balance Flex and Corvus better, and what kind of value they can bring to an operation. Then the disease classroom there, we go through there and actually inoculate different diseases and help improve the understanding about how to manage those and identify those diseases. Then we actually have a very large study where we're looking at our different soybean products and how they respond to different planting dates and irrigation timing. And so this study is actually a continuation from last year, but a pretty large study that we're able to look at, again, back to the variable rate irrigation technology that we have at the station. We can put different irrigation environments out there and see how our soybean products respond and that interaction with planting date. Coming up, we have the rainout shelter, so we've got some research being conducted in there. And then our trait pipeline is right in front of you where we talk about new traits that are coming out for our corn products. Then as we turn the corner, you'll see some wheat. We've got west spread wheat that was just recently harvested at the Learning Center. It's not harvested here in the picture, but it was harvested over the weekend. And we will be doing more wheat research as we move forward and look at how different Bayer Crop Science crop protection products provide value. Then on our left, we've got a corn silage study looking at how different corn products have different characteristics and different silage quality parameters. Then we have a collaborative study with the University of Nebraska looking at the impact of stubble height with cover crop on corn yield. And so this is a multi-year study that we've been happy to collaborate with the University of Nebraska on. Then coming up, we've got our area, our little demo area where we've got high pH and salt, high pH and sodium, and talk about how we go through and manage corn production on those fields. Then on our right, we have we've entered into our subsurface drip zone area, and so we've got a fertigation study for corn. Then as you turn the corner, we have a nitrogen study on corn on subsurface drip, and then irrigation studies for soybeans and how we go through there and manage our soybeans more effectively with respect to irrigation. Then we got our history of corn, and then the area to grow a bushel for corn, area to grow a bushel of soybeans. And so with that, I've talked quite a bit here, and I hope you come to the realization that we've got quite a bit going on out here at the Learning Center. We'd be happy to have you come out and visit us. And please give us a call at 308-537-4500 for more information on taking a tour of the Learning Center this summer. With that, we'll talk to you in the future about other agronomic topics that will hopefully have an impact on your production system. Thank you.
This video from the Gothenburg Water Utilization Learning Center. For more information, please call 308-537-4500.